Just a little video of a rubber tire excavator working in Winnipeg. We call them draughts here because they used to be built by the draught company. And this is an older case one. They're now, the last few were made by a company called Badger, which was located in the US. And I don't know, they're primitive, they're pieces of crap. Engines on the front, and as you can hear, they're loud as hell. And this one's digging up broken pavement. It's an actual miracle that they're even fixing a road in Winnipeg here. Usually got a Cummins motor in them. Some of the old ones had Detroit engines in them. So if you think this is loud, you should have heard the ones with Detroit. It's got a tilting bucket on it, one of the first types ever made. They're the ones who came up with the name Wrist to Twist. They're pieces of crap. A Gradle would be a lot nicer for this. From what I understand, they always blow transmissions on them too. Well, that's enough. That's boring.